Okay, we're looking at problem 15 from lesson 4-2 on page 244. It says graph the set of ordered pairs -2, -3, 0, -1, 1, 0, 3, 2, and 4, 4. Determine whether the relationship is a linear function. Explain how you know. So I've graphed it here at my free graphing calculator at www.desmos.com. I simply went here to add an item and I added a table and I put my points in. So I have -2, -3, 0, -1, 1, 0, 3, 2, and 4, 4. And here's what I have. It looks linear. It looks pretty linear, right? If I connect the dots, it looks like it hits all at a straight line. We have to do a little bit more digging though. So let's come over here to our whiteboard and let's look at the difference of each one. So if I look from looking at the x first, I see here that I have to add 2 to get to 0. From here, I have to add 1. From here, I have to add 2. And from here, I have to add 1. Okay? So it's a little bit more difficult to see because my x is not increasing at the same amount. Well, let's look at this side over here. When I'm adding 2, it looks like it's increasing by 2 again. When I'm adding 1, it's increasing by 1. When I'm adding 2, it's increasing by 2. When I'm adding 1, it's increasing by 2. So again, a little difficult to tell. So let's take 2 of the points. Let's take -2 and 4 and -3 and 4 and see if we have a intercept here. This is our y-intercept. When x equals 0, this is my y-intercept. So we can graph it and see if our line goes straight through it. So if I take from -2 to 4, my x goes first, so it's the change in x over the change in y. And so I am going to do -3 minus 4 equals -2 minus 4, and I get -7 over -6. So that is slope equal to 7 over 6. Let's see if that works out for us. So we do y equals 7 over 6 minus 1. So let's put that in our graph to see if that works. Minus 1. Oh, almost hits. So if we look a little closer, this is not on a straight line, so it's not linear. So here to here, this difference is the same and this isn't the same. And truly we could have saw that here. So when it increases by 2 here, it increases by 2 here. But when it increases by when I increase by 1, it also increases by 2. When I increase by 1 here, it increases by 1. So it's not constant. So this is not linear, it's not constant, and it's not a straight line. And I hope that this helps.